Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can set the speed grabs to have a smooth keyframe movements in a video. So here I've already opened the CapCut apps, and to enable the speed grab, you just need to add two keyframes first on your edit. So I'm going to add one at the beginning and one at the end. So if you only add one keyframe like this, the speed grabs will not be activated, this one. Okay, so you need to use you can only use grabs for the transition between two keyframes. So I'm going to add another one in here, add another keyframe, this is the keyframe, and after that you need to go in between the keyframes to set the speed grab. So click on this and you can see there are a bunch of grab presets that you can use for your edits. You can choose between these, or you can also customize the grabs on your own. If you want to, you can just click on custom here, click on edit, and you can adjust it to your liking. You can also add another bit, for example in here I'm going to go with that. When you're done, just click on the check icon, and that's it. So it will have a smooth movement like that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.